Hello, this is Nick from Laptop Media, and today we will show you how to open the HP OMEN 17DB40s. To open this big gaming laptop, you have to undo just 8 Phillips head screws. The ones on the bottom aren't captive while the others are. You can start prying the panel from the zone below the LAN. Pry the side, the front, and the other side. Now, you can pop the rear. The inside of the bottom plate houses many plastic and rubber elements for better internal structural support. This notebook has an 83 watt-hour battery. To remove it, pull the connector towards the unit and undo the 6 Phillips head screws that fix the battery to the base. The capacity is enough for around 9 hours and 20 minutes of video playback. Our test was conducted with the Battery Saver preset activated in the Windows Power and Battery menu and the Balanced mode applied in the OMEN Gaming Hub app. The memory section is covered with a plastic film and you can peel it. According to HP, the two SODIMMs fit up to 32 gigabytes of DDR5, 5600 MHz RAM in dual-channel mode. However, since the CPU can support up to 256 gigabytes, this laptop likely wouldn't have issues running a larger amount of memory than the official manufacturer's specified limit. The Wi-Fi 6 card is placed below the left fan. For storage upgrades, you get a pair of M.2 slots compatible with 2280 Gen 4 SSDs. Both have a metal shield on top which is secured to the chassis by a single screw. We can spot a thermal pad on the bottom of each bracket. The cooling is massive. It comprises 2 large fans, 3 long heat pipes shared between the CPU and the GPU, and a 4th dedicated to the graphics card. The thermal system is also complemented by 3 heat sinks and a pair of sizable cooling plates.